The 62-count indictment alleges that from on or about December 26, 2015, and continuing until at least July 15, 2025, Patel, Doyle, Slaney, Dixon, and Onishea conspired together to commit visa fraud, namely a non-immigrant U visa which defendants knew to be procured by means of false claims and statements and otherwise procured by fraud and unlawfully obtained by the defendants. The indictment alleges that Patel, Doyle, Slaney, Dixon, Onishea, and others authored, facilitated, produced, and authenticated false police reports in several central Louisiana parishes. Each report listed several victims of purported armed robberies in the central Louisiana area, and the defendants produced false police reports so that the purported victims of the robberies could apply for U visas. The indictment alleges that as part of this conspiracy to defraud, individuals seeking U visas, aliens, would contact Patel or another facilitator who would then contact Patel to be named as victims in police reports alleging that an armed robbery had occurred so that they could submit applications for U visas. The indictment also alleges that aliens paid Patel thousands of dollars to participate, and in exchange, Patel would ask his co-conspirators, including Doyle, Slaney, Dixon, and Onishea, to write false police reports naming the aliens as victims of alleged armed robberies and provide certification and attestation of U visa I-918B, supporting documents as representatives of their respective law enforcement agencies. It is also alleged in the indictment that Patel did corruptly give, offer, and agree to pay an agent of the Rapides Parish Sheriff's Office the sum of $5,000 on February 18, 2025, intending to influence and reward said agent in exchange for a fraudulent police report from the Rapides Parish Sheriff's Office. The indictment further alleges that from approximately September 27, 2023 until December 26, 2024, Doyle, Slaney, Dixon, and Onishea did knowingly submit false statements with respect to material facts in immigration applications by signing I-918B forms as certifying officials, stating that individuals were cooperating victims of crimes which statements the defendants knew to be false, and that the individuals were never victims of the crimes alleged in the I-918B forms. In addition, the indictment alleges that for the purpose of executing the above-described scheme and artifice to defraud Patel, Doyle, Slaney, Dixon, and Onishea, did commit mail fraud by knowingly placing or causing to be placed in an authorized depository for mail matter to be sent and delivered by the U.S. Postal Service, a private interstate carrier, or a commercial interstate carrier, false form I-918B, created and submitted to USCIS.